Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to clean an iPod Touch 4th generation. Now to clean this iPod Touch, you're going to need DVD Doctor. It's a pro DVD cleaner, which is like the #1 in America. And you also need Ultra Clear DVD Doctor. That's for the screen. And you might also need a microfiber cloth. You only need the microfiber cloth to clean the back. So right now we're gonna have to turn off our iPod Touch. Mine is already turned off. So let's go. Now spray the purple one and just spray it on the back like this. Oh, I forgot. Here's my iPod Touch. That's what it looks like. All those scratches. Now, once you spray it, you're gonna have to rub it in for at least 30 seconds. "15 seconds done. Then you want to stop rubbing, and now you're going to take the microfiber cloth and you want to rub with the microfiber cloth. Make sure the spray doesn't get in your camera, because it might get it might have problems, or like who knows. And don't let it get in any of the ports, such as the sleep button, or the headphone jack, or the charger jack. So yeah. And then once that's done, you want to get the ultra clear. And now you're gonna shake it, and now just spray it on there. Again, make sure it doesn't get in your camera or the home button. And now you're gonna rub this for only 13 seconds. Yeah. Alright, so once that's done, you're going to get your microfiber cloth again and just rub it. Alright, so I just cleaned my whole entire iPod Touch 4th generation by using DVD Doctor, disc cleaner for the back, and Ultra Clear for my screen. So now let's see what it looks like. You can see definitely the scratches almost went away. Let's see the front. The front, at least some scratches went away. I do have some deep scratches, so yeah. Thank you YouTube. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.